Hello, good evening my dear students. Now I am taking module 3, Lagrange's linear partial differential equation. A linear partial differential equation of the first order, commonly known as Lagrange's linear equation, is of the form capital PP plus capital QQ equal to capital R. We call it as expression 1, where capital letters P, Q and R are functions of x, y, z, and its solution is of the form phi of uv equal to 0. That is connected by the relation phi of uv is 0, where u and v are some functions of x, y, z, and small letters p and q are the partial differential coefficients of z with respect to x and with respect to y respectively. Working rule to solve the Lagrange's linear equation. Given partial differential equation to be written in the form capital PP plus capital QQ equal to capital R, convert equation of the form dx by capital P is equal to dy by capital Q is equal to dz by capital R. It is known as auxiliary equation. Above system of equations can be solved as follows. Considering any pairs or combination of any pair of the form f of x dx equal to g of y dy, g of y dy is equal to h of z dz, f of x dx is equal to h of z dz. These are in variable separable form. Integrating these, we get the solutions in relations involving xy and the relations involving yz and the relations involving xz. Suppose u of xyz is equal to c1 and v of xyz is equal to c2 are the two relations, and then the functional relation phi of uv is equal to 0 constitute a general solution of the partial differential equation is of the form capital PP plus capital QQ equal to capital R. An example: solve the partial differential equation xp plus yq equal to 3z. Solution: given equation is of the form capital PP plus capital QQ equal to capital R. So, capital P is equal to x, capital Q is equal to y, and capital R equal to 3z. Here, the auxiliary equations are dx by x equal to dy by y equal to dz by 3z, and we call it as equation 1. Considering first two ratios and the last two ratios of equation 1, we have from first two ratio dx by x equal to dy by y. Integrating, we get integral of dx by x equal to integral of dy by y, that is log x is equal to log y plus log c1. We get log x is equal to log of c1y. It implies x is equal to c1y, and we call it as equation 2. And from the last two ratios of equation 1, that is dy by y equal to dz by 3z, integrating we get, that is integral of dy by y equal to 1 by 3 integral of dz by z. We get log y is equal to 1 by 3 log z plus constant of integral log c2, that is log y is equal to log of c2 z to the power 1 by 3, that is y is equal to c2 z to the power 1 by 3. We call it as equation 3, and equation 2 and 3 form a general solution of the given partial differential equation is phi of x by y, y of y by z to the power 1 by 3 is equal to 0. Another example, solve the partial differential equation mz minus ny into dou z by dou x plus nx minus lz into dou z by dou y equal to ly minus mx. Solution, given equation is of the form capital P plus capital Q equal to capital R is a Lagrange's linear partial differential equation. Here capital P is equal to mz minus ny, capital Q is equal to nx minus lz, capital R is equal to ly minus mx. And the auxiliary equations are dx by p equal to dy by q is equal to dz by r. That is dx dividing by mz minus ny equal to dy dividing by nx minus lz is equal to dz dividing by ly minus mx. Using the suitable multipliers x, y and z, we get each fraction is equal to x dx plus y dy plus z dz dividing by 0. Comparing this fraction to any of the fraction of auxiliary equation, therefore we get x dx plus y dy plus z dz equal to 0, which on integration gives x square plus y square plus z square equal to a is constant of integral. Again, using the suitable multipliers L, M and N, we get each fraction is equal to L dx plus M dy plus N dz dividing by 0. And therefore, comparing this ratio to any of the ratio of auxiliary equation, and therefore we get L dx plus M dy plus N dz is equal to 0, which on integration gives Lx plus My plus Nz is equal to B. Hence, the general solution is phi of x square plus y square plus z square, comma Lx plus My plus Nz is equal to 0. Thank you.